Hello friends, today I will show you some easiest process to draw birds and animals. It's very easy and beautiful method. I'm sure you'll enjoy and learn this all. So let's begin. Write number 1 and see how easily you can draw a pigeon. From the top, draw a curved line and add another curved line as I am doing. Add tail. Leg. Now you got a beautiful shape of pigeon. Now give some lines for decoration. In this way, you can complete a beautiful pigeon drawing. Next, just draw number 2 like this and see how easy to draw a duck. From the down part, add a curved line and easily you will get a shape of duck. Add wings, beak, eyes, now give some lines for decoration so it will look nice. Add leg. In this way you can complete a beautiful drawing of duck. Just write number 3 from this angle. And see how I am drawing a beautiful squirrel. Draw the head from top part and from down part of 3 easily you can draw body part. Just add legs and tail. Now tail. Erase the extra lines which are not required. Now give some lines for decoration. See, so easily you can draw squirrel. And this way you can complete the drawing.